Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, consider the following statements. First, it is under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Second, it was incorporated in 2016 with its registered office at Mumbai. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So the Delhi headquarters of the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited has been declared a prohibited place under the Section 2 of Official Secrets Act 1923 by the Union Home Ministry to prevent the entry of unauthorized persons. So this is a government printing and minting agency. So it is under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So it was incorporated in 2006 with its registered office at New Delhi. So only one is correct. So this was in news because note manufacturers headquarters now prohibited place. So this was all about question number 1, which was in news. So now let us discuss question number 2. With reference to Financial Stability and Development Council, consider the following statements. First, it is a statutory body. Second, no funds are separately allocated to the council for undertaking its activities. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, 2 only. So the 25th meeting of FSDC was held in Mumbai under the chairmanship of Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So it was set up in 2010 by Indian government as an executive body. It replaced the high-level coordination committee on financial markets. So the idea is to create such a super regulatory body was first mooted by Raghuram Rajan committee in 2008. So it's not a statutory body and no funds are allocated separately to the council for undertaking its activities. So hence statement number 2 is correct. So this was in news because 25th meeting of FSDC held in Mumbai. So this question has already come in UPSC Prelims Examination FSDC. So you can read about FSDC in a great detail and you can refer that PYQ as well. PYQ is previous year's question. So now let us discuss question number 3. With reference to the exercise Cobra Warrior, consider the following statements. First, the exercise being organized at Waddington, UK, 5 Tejas aircraft will fly to the UK. UK is aimed at providing operational exposure and sharing best practices amongst the participating air forces. Second, in a first, the Indian Air Force will destroy the indigenous light combat aircraft Tejas for multilateral air exercise Cobra Warrior. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So both these statements given are correct. So this was in news because Tejas to take part in Cobra Warrior in United Kingdom. So this is question number 3. Now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the draft India Data Accessibility and Use Policy, consider the following statements. First, the policy aims to radically transform India's ability to harness public sector data. Second, it is an initiative of Union Ministry of Home Affairs. So which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So the IT Ministry has come out with a draft policy that proposes a framework to government to government data sharing and moods that all data for every government department or organization shall be open and shareable by default with riders. So the first statement given is absolutely correct, and the second statement is wrong because it is the initiative of the Union Ministry of Information Technology. So this was in news because Center wrote his draft on government data sharing. So this was all about question number 4. Now let us discuss the final question of this video, question number 5. With reference to the AI research supercluster, consider the following statements. First, Meta is building an AI supercomputer, the AI research supercluster. Second, AI supercomputer are built by combining multiple graphic processing units into compute nodes, which are then connected by high performance network fabric to allow fast communication between those GPUs. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can write your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So Meta announced in January 2022 that it is building an AI supercomputer, the AI research supercluster. So these both statements are correct. So this was in news because Meta announced in January last week that it is building an AI supercomputer, the AI research supercluster. So this was in news because of this issue, and you can read more about artificial intelligence also. So this is the very important topic from UPSC Prelims exam point of view, and this question on artificial intelligence has already been asked in 2020 Prelims examination by UPSC. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.